More news. The Supreme Court is staying the bizarre High Court order on rape bid. Allahabad High Court's grabbing breast and no rape remark. Supreme Court says complete lack of sensitivity. Breaking pajama strings is not the rape bid. Pulling it off is not a bid to rape, had said the High Court. Supreme Court is upset, saying that the High Court judge clearly didn't apply his mind. Shrishti has more. Shrishti, the Supreme Court is echoing the thoughts of what just so many of us thought, isn't it? That the High Court just was so insensitive in those comments. It's a very important observation from the Supreme Court today. Shrishti.
Well, definitely, Sneha, when the Allahabad High Court order had come out, making the remarks that it made in its order and the observations that were made in that order, there was a huge debate around it. The order was called out, criticized, and even several lawyers that we've spoken to have told us that the judge has been completely insensitive, especially in a case where we're talking about a case of sexual offense against a minor child. Now, the Supreme Court decided to take moto cognizance after a letter was written by a senior lawyer and an organization flagging the order and asking court to take moto cognizance. The court has today stayed the remarks in 3 of the paragraphs, calling it insensitive. We're talking about the remarks as you read out, which included observations like even grabbing breasts of the minor girl, undoing her pajama strings, grabbing her, dragging her to the culvert, etc., would not be enough for the charge of attempt to rape. So all these observations as of now have been stayed. The court has issued notice to Union of India and the state of UP, who will have to file their responses, and the court is likely to hear this case again after 2 weeks, but definitely a big order from the top court, considering the very first hearing. They've decided to take a call and stay these observations as of now. Back to you.
Thanking you for the moment, Shrishti Oja, getting us up to speed with those details.